Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Shenseea fans are asking where she is. It's been about 9 days now since Shenseea post. We haven't seen any kind of activity social media wise from Shenseea, and that's not normal, you know what I mean? Or at least we're not used to that. So the fans must start to ask now, where is Shenseea? So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. We are going to see if we can figure out what's going on with Shenseea. Maybe she work on something big. Maybe, you know what I mean, she just need a break. We don't know what's going on really, but I'm going to show you what I see on Romeich page today. All of the fans ask where is Shenseea. So basically Romeich took out most of his team, because I'm not going to say my whole team, because I don't know the entire team, and plus, you know what I mean, the other artists, them never did it, like Ding Dong never did it, and TJ never did it. But we know say it's common for see Shenseea run Romeich, especially when them go somewhere like this where a whole heap of seafood, them go consume some seafood. So, you know what I mean, usually Shenseea I got did this so the fans them pick up on that too, because the fans them know say yeah, you know what I mean, them always see Romeich and Shenseea. But anyway, let me show you the video of Romeich and the rest of the team, and then we are gonna tell you what the caption say. Here goes.
Lobster big from long time. What is the Jenna? Big drip. Big drip. What you say? What you say? Yeah, you there? Why? Up in that pinky. Pussy clad. What you do? Me and you. Motherfucker! Men will be men and boys will be boys. Glad. Motombo, hey, Africano, you eating a lobster, oh, eh? Yeah. Go, you showing the coach. Pussy clad. Who this one, sir? Yeah. Healthy living. Who this? Daddy, oh, man. Whoa, Daddy, oh.
Yeah, people, so I want to see what I go on. That's Romeich and some of the team. However, now, you know what I mean, we are pre and I say, him same bring out the selector them look like. I don't know what heap of the DJ them did. You see Escobar and we see DJ Black Boy, you know what I mean? And you have the females them too, because Jade did it, you know? But this is what he said in the caption. He said, "It's been a rough year, but we have to big up my team." And him tag Romeich Entertainment and all my DJs. We hashtag one team, one dream. 2020 rough, but may I tell you, we still hold it and do great. You see 2021 still going up, big up, and him tag Bishop Escobar, Moby son, DJ Liquid, which is DJ Liquid there, right? And Real Fresh, DJ Scrappy, Black Boy, Bloodline Franco, you know what I mean? Whole heap of people. But you know, there is no like artist. Him not tag Ding Dong, him not tag Shenseea, and him not tag TJ. So we can say, all right, then, you know what I mean? It's not like him tag the other artists, them on the tag Shenseea. So we know, say, nothing now go on personally between Romeich and Shenseea from what we see. Yes, sir. But directly under that now, the two first comment is, where's Shenseea? Where's Sheng? You see me? I'm going to show you some more comments like that. But before me do that, let's take a look at Shensea's last post. So our last post was on November 23rd, and this is what she posts. She posts and say, "The wait is finally over. Y'all ready for my lash collection?" And, you know, somebody even comment and say, "Where is the B-Clad album Sheng Yang?" Right? And she don't post nothing from that, not even upon her stories, right? But on Raj page on the same day, she posts this video. We know that video where she drive Raj car on the same day, November 23rd, and Raj say, "Taking mom for a spin in my new Bugatti. Thanks at Romeich Entertainment." And Romeich reply and say, "Okay, son," right? And we don't see no more activity regarding Shenseea. Raj still posts after that. Him post like some chubby thing, you know, because he's a chubby ambassador. But we don't see nothing from Shenseea. We don't see no Shenseea nowhere. You see me? So We don't know exactly what go on, people. No, me not concerned like me think something wrong with her. Me not think nothing wrong with her. Me more think she a work on something secretly and big. You know what I mean? That's what I think. Uno can tell me what I think. Get in the comment section, tell me what I think. I wanna think she just take a break. She just needs some time off. Right? So let's get back to Romeich comment section. I go show no some of what the people them must say, because I did see one comment where they kinda like, okay then. You see me? So I go show no what I see. Alright. So somebody say, where is Shenseea? Somebody say delicious. The next person say, where Shenseea? The food goddess there. Like me I say, Shenseea always, you know what I mean, like seafood. So them always roll together when a seafood time. Somebody say, where Shen there? Somebody say, where is Shenseea? So I want to see how much comments in a row I ask for Shenseea. And then there is this comment that say, and my dream say, Shen sick with the sea. If a true with some prayer emoji. So I would have hoped nothing go so still. But you see what I say? When you see that comment there, them say it's a dream though. But this next comment say, this miss, and them tag Shenseea, them say this miss Shenseea. So everybody know how Shenseea roll already. Then some people go as far as even ask Romeich for Shenseea. Like them tag Romeich, and Romeich is a man who respond to comment more while, and then man they even if you tag them, he will come and he will answer. Cause I see people tag him on my page and he actually come over there and respond to it. But he never reply to none of them. He not answer none of them. You see me? So we don't know exactly what go on, but we want a little bit about that one there where say she dreams Shenseea of the big sea. And by the big sea, you don't know what she mean, right? We have to explain that, the Rona, right? But may I think and may I say, you know what I mean, that is a possibility because we know Shenseea been actively performing amongst, you know, other artists that do it too. But, you know, they must take them precaution. And also, I mean, Romeich did it with her too. Even though Romeich not up on stage, him still like interact with a lot of people. So if she have any kind of thing like that, Romeich should have probably have it too. You see what me I try to say? So I mean the girl, the person, sorry, I don't know if I'm not gonna say girl because it look like a lady. But you know, she never say that go on. She says she dream, you know. I wanna know how island people and dreaming thing go. So we not really point no fingers pan her. I just discuss that. That is not really, you know, I not really call her out pan it or nothing like that. We just say, I say that go on. Because, you know what I mean, if that go on, I feel like Romeich himself would have probably in a quarantine or something too. You see me? Because Romeich there everywhere where she there. I two of them did a travel and I do all of the shows them, right? People wanna get in the comment section, the Shenyangs them wanna tell me what you think. Where is Shenseea? What going on with Shenseea? And you know what I mean, hopefully we wake up tomorrow and see Shenseea post again or whatever. We know she been through a lot this past year, so maybe it finally take a toll upon her. Would have open a data go and still would have open more like she have something to deal with where, you know what I mean, she just required to come out of the general public space and deal with it. You know what I mean? I mean I talk about musically. So me, I hope say that go on. But people, I'm just gonna leave it there, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. That's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself and stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.